Today I am unboxing a Stitch Fix. So I am over the summer clothes. I've got plenty of that, even though it's super hot still outside. I am wanting the pre-fall and the fall transitioning pieces. So that's what I asked for in this box. And then I also had the option to do 8 items again. And looking at the style preview, I think I picked 2 items. And then I'm hoping that she added 6 to that. I have not looked since the preview, but I do know 2 of the things that are gonna be in here. So it's a rather big box. So let's see all of the new fall transitioning pieces. So if anybody is interested in Stitch Fix, I do have a referral link that I can put in the description box for you guys. It will get you $25 off your first box, which would cover the styling fee, which is $20. So let's see what's inside. It looks like there's a purse, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this out and then get the bundle, because it's a pretty big bundle. Here's the purse. We'll talk about it in just a minute. And then here is the bundle. It's a big one, you guys. I had to throw the box down to get it up here. So it looks like Kirsten is still my stylist. This is a pretty pricey box, but there is 8 items and I have been just getting 5 items. So let's see what she's got. The first thing is going to be this handbag, and I usually don't like to get handbags in my fixes. I like to pick my own handbags out. So this is from 9 West, Vevina Convertible shoulder bag in brown. So a 2-in-1 convertible shoulder bag. So it looks like it's got a long strap for you to do crossbody, or you could probably do it over the shoulder. And it has a nice little gold hardware in the front. It looks like a triple compartment. So you've got 2 compartments on each side, that button, and then you got a zipper compartment in the center. It's got that croc style, and it's super soft, but you know, I kind of really like to pick my own bags out, so I'm probably going to be sending this one back. It does have a cute little design. Well, let's just see what I've got here and see if I have enough and how much this is, because it is really super cute. It's just, I do like to pick my own bags out, but very nice. It's got that croc. So let's see what the clothes are. So this one, I do remember from the preview. It is that Faux Suede. It is from Market and Spruce, the cropped Faux Suede jacket in blue. I loved the color, and I thought it was a really good length. So I'm excited to try that one. That one was in the preview. And then this is from 41 Hawthorn, the button front pocket vest in navy, size medium. And this was the other thing that I chose to keep from the preview. So everything else is going to be brand new, but these 2 things I did know about. And again, in the navy, I thought this would look cute with some light colored denim. Oh, this is soft. This is from Market and Spruce. It is the Quilted Cinched waist jacket in white, size medium. I love that. It is so soft, but it's nice and lightweight. So it's going to be one of those really great ones for transitioning and the first signs of fall, maybe into early winter here in Tennessee. Oh, I love it though. It's very soft. This is from Market and Spruce. It is the zip front light rain jacket in beige. So rain jacket, but without a hood. So not sure about that. It does not feel like the light nylon material that you would expect to be waterproof. So they may call this a rain jacket, but I don't think this is waterproof at all. This is made out of 100% cotton. But it is really cute, and it's that cropped kind of trench style. So we'll see what that looks like. And then this is from 41 Hawthorn. It is Cozy Cash light long sleeve crew neck cardigan in red, size medium. So this is like their cozy cashmere. Let me see what the material is. I love this bright red color. I love to add that pop of color. 28% polyester, 28% acrylic, 22% nylon, 18% modal, and 4% wool. So there's that. I love that with like black jeans. This looks like a pair of jeans, which I did just get quite a few pairs of jeans from the Nordstrom sale. I think I ended up keeping maybe 6 new pairs of jeans. So I'm not sure if I need another pair of jeans, but hey, if these fit good and they're a good price. This is from 41 Hawthorn, Leonora high rise, multi-stretch, crop wide leg jean, size 8. So we'll see. I like the wash. And then these are of olive color, and a lot of times with the olive color, that doesn't really do so well with me, but maybe on the bottom, we'll see. So this one is from Tribal. I love Tribal. Sophia Curvy, hugging Microflare crop pant in olive, size 8. So I like how it kind of has like, almost like you had finished him and then unfinished it and then frayed it at the bottom. So that's kind of cute. And these are supposed to be cropped. We'll see if they're cropped on me or not. So those are the 8 items. Let me look at her note to see what she suggests styling wise, and then I'll try everything on. Okay, so here's the first look, and she did not really give me any kind of styling details in the note. She was just saying that there was some layering pieces, and I did ask for a complete outfit, which I do every time, and I thought with 8 pieces I might get 2 complete outfits, but I did not see any tops. This is a vest that I decided to pair with these olive jeans, but I've got 2 pairs of bottoms and then a lot of layering pieces, so no really tops. But I thought I would just go ahead and pair this together because I do think navy and olive look really good together. And I don't think the olive looks too bad when it's at the bottom, but when olive's up here, I just really don't like the way that it looks on me. But I love this vest. I think this is so nice in this navy, and I love how it stops buttoning right here, so you kind of have that open look, so it allows for some room in that hip area where I'm the biggest at. It's very soft. It's really nice. I like this material that it's made out of, and I think that I could wear this with a lot in fall, and I could even wear a blazer over this for a really nice look as well. Now, the bottoms, they are kind of like that straight fit, and they're a little bit too huggy to me. So they are a crop style, and they are a little bit short on me, which is okay. And the color's okay. The fit's okay, except for the fact that when they just like kind of hug me all the way down, it's almost like I'm wearing a skinny jean again, and I was so glad when those were not very popular because skinny jeans just don't look good with my body type, I don't think. And I mean, the pants are okay. They're from Tribal, which I really like Tribal and how they fit. I just don't think that they're a winner. So let's see. The top is from 41 Hawthorn, button front, pocket V, and then it cuts off. $69 for the top. And then the bottoms are from Tribal, and they're the Sophia curvy hugging, and then it cuts off. They're $90. So yeah, I definitely don't like these for $90. They don't fit as well. Now, $69, we'll have to think about this one. Because even though I have 8 items, I still do get a 25% off. I was grandfathered into that. It's 20% now if I buy at least 5. That's why I like to get 8, because I got a little bit of wiggle room. I don't have to buy everything. So I decided to go ahead and put this jacket over top of the navy vest and the olive pants. Oh my gosh, this is almost like a blanket, but not like a heavy blanket. It feels so nice. This quilted material is just so nice. And it does have cinching right here, but it doesn't have a drawstring to adjust it. So it is how it is. And then it does have this zip. I mean, this is so soft. It really does feel like a really nice, cozy, soft blanket, but not a very heavy one. So this is how it looks when it's zipped. And then you have your side pockets. I love the length of this. Oh gosh, I love this. This I love. This is from Market and Spruce. Lightweight quilted, cuts off, and it's $59. So I'm definitely keeping this one. I love this. This is nice. I like it. I like how it has that drawstring right here. Well, not really a drawstring, but the cinching. So it's cinching right there at that smallest part of your waist, and just kind of giving it a fit and flare style. Little flattering. Love it. Love it in the white. And this quilted. I mean, this is good, you guys. I'm going to have to see if they have this in different colors. This is good. I like this a lot. So disregard how I have this styled. I just get those olive pants on, and I probably would not wear this with olive, but I just wanted to see how this fits. But I thought it would look good with this navy. So I kind of just tucked the vest under so that it wasn't too long, and see what this looks like. So this is that faux suede jacket, crop style, which I love, and I like that it has the slits on the side. That way, you know, you get a little bit of room. So, I mean, I could wear this buttoned if I wanted to, like a shirt. Let's just see how that looks. So there's plenty of room to do that if you want to kind of just wear this as a shirt, but I do like how it looks as a jacket. And these are just snap buttons, which is pretty cool too. Sleeves are a little long. I could roll them up. I mean, sleeves are always long for me, but I can cuff that just one time, and I like this. It feels really nice. There are no pockets in it. There's the pockets up here at the top. So let's see how much this one is. Okay, so this is from Market and Spruce, the cropped faux suede jacket. It is $90. It's kind of pricey too. I'm gonna have to see if I at least like 5 items to get this 25% off, because I don't know if I like this for $90. Sometimes I'm like, why do you get it so right, Stitch Fix? So this top is that cozy, like cozy cashmere, but it doesn't have any cashmere in it. So I'm not sure why they call it that. But it does have a little bit of wool. But I didn't feel like it was very itchy or anything like that. It's kind of soft. It's very nice. It does have acrylic in it as well. So this is a cardigan. I unbuttoned the top and I unbuttoned the bottom button. I like the length of it. And then these pants, I like these pants a lot, or these jeans. I love these jeans. I think they're a good length to wear with some booties. I like the wash, and I think they fit pretty well. They have a little bit of room here in the waist, so I like that. Okay, so this top is from 41 Hawthorn. It's the Cozy Cash cardigan. $55, not a bad price. The jeans are from 41 Hawthorn as well, and they are $88. So everything kind of seems to be a little bit on the higher end as opposed to the last few boxes that I've gotten. But the last few boxes I've gotten just had 5 items, and they've been summer items. So like, you know, shorts and tanks shouldn't really cost as much as jeans and jackets and layering pieces. So there's that. But I do like the red. I do really love these jeans, but gosh, do I need another pair of jeans after I just went crazy on the Nordstrom anniversary sale? So I don't know. So I have one more jacket. I'll just throw the jacket over top of this. And then I'll show you the bag, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that bag. Let's just see how much the bag is. So the bag is $89. It's from Nine West. And, you know, I can find a lot of bags that I like at Kate Spade Outlet for $89. So I think I may be just taking that one back. I'll show it to you, but I don't want to take all the wrapping off so that whoever gets it next will get it kind of in a new condition, but I'll at least show you an up close of it. So here's the rain jacket, but don't be fooled. This is not a rain jacket. It's not made out of the nylon, the water resistant, but it's a nice crop style. And I like that it does have the ties here. It is a zip front. You've got your pockets in the front. And no side pockets. Sometimes you'll have the top pockets within a side pocket right here. Then you've got the tab where you can roll it up if you want the sleeves to be a little bit shorter or longer. So here's what it looks like, and it's nice, but I like the style of it. I like the length of it and everything. So this is from Market & Spruce, the zip front light rain jacket, and this is $49. So this is a really good price for this. And then the last thing was the Nine West bag with the croc style, and then on the side it's got that cute little detail, gold hardware, and it's crossbody or over the shoulder. You got your triple entry with the 2 buttons on each side, zipper pockets on the inside, and then that middle is a zipper pocket. Okay, so for all 8 items, the total is $589. If you buy at least 5, you get 25% off. That takes $147.25 off, making the total $441.75 minus my $20 styling fee. They didn't waive it this time, you guys. They were waiving it for like 5 or 6 times in a row. Okay, so the total would be $421.75 if I kept all 8 items. So let's break it down. Let's see, the bag, I'm taking it back just because of the fact that it's not real leather and it's $89, and I've got better. So, and I've got a lot of brown bags, so I don't need that. So definitely gonna take that back, but it would look super cute. The brown with the olive, with the navy, that first outfit that I tried on with the navy and the olive and that brown, that would be a really cute look. I just don't need that bag. And then the olive pants or jeans, they fit fine. They're from Tribal. I like that brand, but they're $90, and that color is not a color that I really like to reach for. I don't think it's very flattering on me, but that straighter fit kind of just shows how thick my thighs are and my calves, so I really didn't like that style of pants. And then the navy vest. I love that navy vest, and it felt good, and that was $69. So there's at least one thing I'm keeping. I love that white jacket. I think that jacket will be one I wear a lot because I love it. It's comfortable, and it's literally like you're wrapping up in a little lightweight blanket. It's so good. I love it. That one's $59. I'm definitely keeping that. So that's at least 2 things. And then this jacket, I like the jacket. The only thing is I really do like to have side pockets, not top pockets. And this is $49. So it is a good price. So let me think. This cardigan I really like, but I did just buy a red cardigan sweater, a chunkier style cable knit from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, so I don't need 2. I may take this one back, even though this one's cheaper than the Nordstrom one, but I like the thickness of the other one. And so I just don't think I need 2 cardigans that are red. And then these jeans I love too. They feel nice. I love the wide leg. I think they fit really good. And I think a pair of booties, like a chocolate booty, will look so good with this in fall. So, is that everything? That is everything. So I know that I at least want to keep that white jacket and these jeans and the navy vest. But am I going to be getting 2 other things? I don't know. So what I had asked for was a wow factor. And I don't really think I got like a wow factor like I was thinking of. But I mean, that white jacket's a wow factor for me because I love it. But it's not like something so unique and out there and original. But I think she did really well with giving me the fall transitioning that I asked for because it's a lot of layering pieces. I think she really delivered on, the colors were pretty good. Oh, I forgot, the faux suede jacket. Yes, I love that one. So that's definitely a 4th one. So let me see if I can find a 5th one that I might want to keep in order to get that discount and do the Stitch Fix math to see if it'd even be worth it. But yes, I did like that faux suede jacket too. That was really nice. How much was that? That one was $90. So again, I feel like I'm going to have to get 5 items to make that worth it with 25% off. So what did you guys think about this fix? I liked it. I was really pleased with everything. There was not anything that I didn't like. What was your favorite thing? What would you keep from this box? Do you think she's doing a pretty good job? I like her. This is probably maybe about the 8th or 9th box that she has styled for me, and I think she's done a really good job. What do you guys think? Hopefully I'll get to keep her. It seems like every time I find one that I like, they seem to give me another one. But I do hope that you've enjoyed this video. If so, give it a like, please, you guys. It helps people find me. Leave me comments. That helps people find me as well. And if you like travel and fashion videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I hope to see you in my next video. And until next time, I do hope you have a wonderful day.